Whiskey is a broader term used for all kinds of distilled alcoholic beverages, also called distilled spirits, made from grains like corn, rye, barley, and wheat. For more detail on what are distilled alcoholic beverages, go and watch my video on classification of alcoholic beverages. Now, Scotch is also a kind of whiskey. The main difference between Scotch and whiskey lie in their regional origins, the specific grains used, and the production process. Here is a breakdown of the differences. Whiskey is a general term for distilled spirits made from variety of grains such as corn, rye, barley, and wheat, and it can be produced anywhere in the world. Scotch, on the other hand, is primarily made from malted barley. Single malt Scotch is made from 100% malted barley, while blended Scotch can contain a mix of malted barley and other grains. And not only that, it must be made and aged in Scotland according to specific guidelines. The production process of whiskey and Scotch share similarities but also have some key differences. A Scotch typically undergoes a distinct step called malting, where the barley is soaked and allowed to germinate. Then this germination process is stopped and malted barley is dried, usually over a peat smoke. Peat is a partially decayed vegetation. You can say precursor of coal. This process of drying germinated barley is called kilning, and as a result you get dried malt barley. And using peat smoke in this process imparts a unique smoky flavor to many Scotch whiskies. Scotch is aged for a minimum of 3 years in oak casks. While aging requirement for whiskey can vary depending on the type and region. For example, straight bourbon whiskey that is from United States predominantly uses corn, must be aged in new charred oak containers and aged for minimum 2 years, while Irish whiskey must be aged for at least 3 years. Now, in this video, you must have seen me using word Scotch whisky. It is used to specify it's a whiskey from Scotland. This word I use whiskey is without E. The term whiskey without E is generally used for Scotland, Canada, and Japan-based whiskies, while the term whiskey with an E is used for American whiskey and Irish whiskey. Now here is the list of some famous Scotch brands around the world. Well guys, that's all for the video. I hope you like this video. If you do, give a thumbs up, and for any doubt or suggestion, comment down below. Stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast.